Want to browse the internet with more privacy and security? The Tor browser is a great tool that helps protect your online activity. In this guide, I'll show you how to install Tor browser on your Mac in just a few simple steps. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Tor project website. Type torproject.org in the address bar and hit Enter. Once you're on the site, click on the Download Tor browser button. You should be redirected to the download page. Click on the Download for Mac OS button and save the file to your desired location. After the download is complete, locate the .dmg file in your Downloads folder and double-click to open it. A window will appear, asking you to drag the Tor browser icon into your Applications folder. Simply drag and drop the icon, and the installation process will be completed within seconds. Once finished, close the window and move the installer to the trash. Now, go to your Applications folder and double-click Tor browser to launch it. The first time you open it, you might see a security warning. If so, click Open to proceed. Next, you'll see the Tor network connection screen. Click Connect to let Tor establish a secure connection. This may take a few seconds. Once connected, you're all set. You can now browse the web privately using Tor. Keep in mind that Tor works best when you avoid logging into personal accounts or sharing sensitive information. And that's it! You've successfully installed Tor browser on your Mac. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Happy browsing!